Hi people, I'm Dheeraj. This is the trringphone box. It's ready. This is how we will receive it. We'll quickly unbox it. So as you can see, there is a user manual. For now, let's ignore that. This is the first part, that is the connecting wire and the charging cable. This is the base of the trringphone that you are seeing here. Looks nice, right? And then this is the receiver of the trringphone. So there are two ends. One is the longer end, other is the shorter end. We'll make sure that we connect the longer end to the base of the trringphone from the bottom, and the other end to the receiver. As you can see, right now the trringphone is assembled already. It is still not on. To switch it on, there is a button just beside the battery on the bottom. So you long press it.
Power on.
Yeah, until you hear that sound of power on. Now it is on. Let's connect it to our smartphone. On smartphone, I'll go to Bluetooth settings. Under that, I will see for the device name as trringphone. I'll click on it and wait for the connection.
Your phone is connected.
Yeah, as you can hear it, it is now connected. And it can also play the media sounds, and you can just change it through your smartphone. So there are 3 levels of ring volume here, and you can just change that by pressing the star symbol from the keypad while it is ringing. So that is necessary, at least in the first one. So if you directly get the call after switching it on for the first time, it might be very loud. But yeah, there are 3 levels and you can decide it according to that. Other than that, there is a speaker mode that is quite, sorry. So right now you can change it. So this is the higher one. This is the third one. Yeah, this is the small one. Sorry. Hello. I'm audible. Yeah, thanks. Bye. So that's how easy it is to use trringphone. I hope it helps you to take your daily breaks from screens and smartphones. All the best to you to reduce your screen time. Thank you.